How to remove 21 days PayPal money on hold. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how the PayPal 21-day payment hold works, how you can deal with it, and what to do once that waiting period is over. If you've ever had money stuck in PayPal, this guide will clear things up. To begin, open any browser on your computer and visit paypal.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner and click on Login. You'll now be prompted to enter your account credentials. Carefully type in your registered email address and password, making sure everything is correct, then proceed by clicking the Login button. After signing in successfully, head to the Activity tab. This section shows your full transaction history and is where PayPal displays any payment restrictions. Select all transactions so you can see every payment that has passed through your account. From here, scan through the list and find any payments marked as pending or on hold. When you click on a held transaction, PayPal usually explains why the funds are unavailable. This could be due to account verification, a new seller status, or buyer protection policies. Read these notes carefully as they often include instructions on what PayPal expects from you next. If PayPal is requesting additional information, make sure you provide it as soon as possible. This might include confirming your identity, verifying your business details, or adding shipping information. Completing these steps promptly can sometimes speed up the release of your funds. If the explanation isn't clear or the hold seems unusual, you can contact PayPal directly. Visit the help or support section on their website to reach out via live chat or messaging. So, explain your issue clearly and ask for clarification regarding the payment on hold. Their support team can guide you on the best next steps. Once the 21-day period ends and your money is released, it's important to reduce the chances of this happening again. Build a solid transaction record by delivering products on time, keeping buyers informed, and resolving disputes quickly. Keeping your account details accurate and up to date also helps improve your account's trust level. And that's it. Now you know how to handle PayPal's 21-day money on hold and what actions can help you avoid future delays. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.